Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Welcome back to a vlog, a shopping vlog actually. It has been a hot minute since I have done a shopping vlog. I actually can't remember the last time I did one. I am a little bit early for my appointment, so I am sitting in the lobby of the Sheraton Grand Hotel in Sydney. I've stayed here many times. It is the most beautiful hotel, honestly. I am a bit early for my appointment at HERMES, so I of course want to take guys with me. I'm really not sure if you can film in HERMES anymore. I don't think you can. I think you can, you know, take photos of the items you're looking at, but you can't like outright go, hi guys, like in the middle of the boutique at all. So yeah, we will have a look around, see what's going on, and hopefully maybe get a few things that I can then show you guys, which will be super cool. So yay, shopping vlog, let's go. I need coffee first. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, I've run into a SUBBIE. What's your name? Michelle. Michelle! Oh my god, she just stopped me on the street. And I was like,
do more vlogs. I love
what vlog? You like that?
I love them.
Okay.
Love them. Definitely.
Sure. Okay, bye. Bye. Even when Mummy gets home, we still change into something comfy, take the face off, even though it's still the shorts. We want to look good, but we can't go to like school pick up looking all glam. We have to get back into Mummy style. But I do want to show you, we are going to do one unboxing from here. Look at my essay. She gave me a little gift. A little gift goodie bag. How cute is that? But I'm going to sort through here because we're going to do one unboxing together because I need it. I'm sure you know what it is then. I need it right now. Okie dokie. So we'll just stack these on up here. This is not good. Let me tell you that much, guys. This is not good. We have broken the bank on this trip. Okay, let's do this together because I need them. I need them right now. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh my god. Take 4. I'm not even kidding you. If you've followed me, this makes number 4. Yes? Did I have one in my Manly house? Maybe. Yes, number 4. H Deco. The H Deco coffee mug. So this was something that I kind of got wrong. was I kept asking my SA for the espresso mug. I kept saying, it's espresso mug, it's espresso mug, because she didn't know if she had this double set and in the black and white. I think she had it in the rouge in boutique, but it was only online in the black and white, and they're actually separate. If you ever want to know that, online is separate stock to what they have in the boutique. So if you see a bag or an item come up, like I saw a Calvi card holder come up in Nutter, and I'm obsessed with that, and she was like, oh no, it's different stock. So completely different, separate. So she wasn't sure. She thought she didn't have the black and white, because I kept saying espresso, and she was like, you know that espresso is like the little one, right? And I was like, oh, okay, the coffee. She goes, I got the coffee in the black and white. Dang. Guys, if you are coffee lovers and you drink a lot of coffee from home like we do, this is the best size coffee mug. I've said it before, I've said it a million times, but truthfully, if you drink coffee from home, it really is the best size. I have my little paper cups from Tiffany & Co, and they make a nice size. It is quite small, so it's quite strong. However, this is the best size. So, excuse me while I go and make myself a coffee. By the end, I had just been there so long that I just knew I was going to run so late. So I was like shopping for far too long. But yes, I am going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this little shopping trip, guys. We picked up some goodies, so we will have a haul. I'm really excited to just show you in depth each item. I'm seeing a lot of hauls, especially on HERMES at the moment, and they're kind of just going over the items, but I want to show you in depth because that is my love for the house, is just, I adore the leathers and to feel the leathers, and I want to portray that through the camera for you, especially if you're going to invest in one of these bags, one of these accessories or leather goods. They aren't cheap, so I just want to, you know, paint a picture for you for that. But I hope you enjoyed this shopping vlog, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below. I would super appreciate that, guys. We will have a HERMES haul coming up soon, so make sure you tune in for that. I hope everybody is doing well. Take care. Peace.